Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your LinkedIn account. So LinkedIn is one of the largest professional network. It's just like it's a social media platform just like Facebook, but instead of connecting your friend, you would be able to connect with different professionals that match your professional background. Also, you can find different kinds of jobs. You can find different kinds of people for your company if you are the employer. So yeah, LinkedIn is one of the greatest useful platform for every professional. All right, let's get started how you can sign in. So simply you can search for the LinkedIn and you can just click on this first link in order to sign in. The another way is to simply typing the domain name, so which is linkedin.com. All right, so in this step you need to enter your email and password correctly, and then so we are trying to sign in. So you can click on this sign in, and if you're trying to create a new account, you can just fill up this form and agree to join. Click on to agree to join, but in this case we're just signing in. So you can also continue with Facebook for the sign up, but if you click on this sign in, now we'd be able to put your email login details and we can simply sign in. So there are two options for the login, like you can log in using your email or you can log in using your phone number. So yeah, if you have entered or added just your email, you can simply log in with your email, but you have also provided your phone number, then you'd be able to log in with your phone number as well. So I'll just simply enter my login details, and then I'll enter my password correctly. So once you enter these both details, you'll simply redirect it to the actual LinkedIn page that contains feed and all the LinkedIn available features. So on the left side, you can see your profile, your name, your position, and the company you are currently working on. And on the top, there's the menu for, like, you can expand your network by adding lots of people. You can look after the job you're looking for. Also, you can check, you can do the private messaging in LinkedIn as well. You can find notification here. If you'd like to add your profile, you can simply click on this. So yeah, it's quite easy. Just go through the linkedin.com and put your username, put your email or put your phone, and then put your password, and then just hit the sign in. Thank you so much for watching.